Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. So, the goal of today's session is yes, I'm well. Thank you so much, a person with the name of iPhone. So, the goal of today's session is that I will be helping you out how to write a band 7 plus task 2 introduction with using a 4 sentence formula that will provide you so that you can write your context, your paraphrasing, your clear positioning, your outline of the essay structure. With this structure, you can easily target band 7 plus. I'm not saying 6, I'm not saying 6.5, I'm saying 7 plus. So you need to do first the question analysis, the planning, and then you will be writing your introduction. As you know that we are going step by step how to write the entire essay. You know the basics कि हमें sentence लिखने कैसे हैं. What are the different variety of sentences we have to use? We did the question planning also, the analysis also कि 5 minutes में हमें planning कैसे करनी है and the next 35 minutes how we have to write. So this is how we will write in the next 35 minutes. So आज से हम उसकी planning करेंगे. First, we will write intro, then we will write all the body paragraphs as well as the conclusion. Harshit. No, there was no class yesterday. I had a family loss, so I won't be able to conduct class yesterday. There was no class. Yes, आज introduction ही करा रहे हैं. What's your name? A person with the name of iPhone. प्रभ, तो आज इंट्रोडक्शन की ही क्लास है. यू मस्ट हैव सीन द नोटिफिकेशन. आप सबके पास क्लास नोटिफिकेशन आई थी आज?
Yes, ma'am.
यस. सो क्लास नोटिफिकेशन में आप जरूर चेक करा करो कि व्हाट्स द टाइटल, व्हाट्स द टॉपिक फॉर टुडे. So just because I was not able to conduct yesterday's class, I'm conducting it today so that we can have our intro round. Okay? So before starting the session, anyone, any doubt, any query, any new student who has joined us today, please let me know, or else we'll start with our topic. किसी को कोई भी query है, कोई doubt है, please let me know.
आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो
Yes, somebody is speaking. Yes, please.
मैम साउंड ब्रेक हो रही है
Yes, Sahadev.
मैम साउंड ब्रेक हो रही है
My.
यस मैम
No, ma'am. Your voice is clear.
Please check your connectivity, Sahadev. I think I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Share it.
Recording.
Sehrish, how many classes you have attended till now?
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, this is my first class. For the first time, I'm
Yes,
hearing in
that's
this
why
session.
I'm asking.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Sehrish, where are you from?
Ma'am, I'm from Pakistan.
Okay. And when are you planning to give exam?
Ma'am, I have not planned yet, but
Mhm.
I think I'll take a month.
Oh, no problem. Please
Thank you.
either wait for next batch to start if you are not in a hurry, so
Okay.
that you can attend your speaking sessions again with us, because I really want the students to be available in the speaking session, not to watch the recorded class. But
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
yeah, anyhow, if you really want to stay in this session, please stay, because speaking has already been done. We are in the mid of writing. We
In
will.
fact, ma'am, I downloaded this app. Someone just recommended me this app, and I was just scared that I might not be welcome because I'm from Pakistan, so I was so scared as well.
No, no,
But
no.
thank you so much for being so generous and kind.
No, 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 it's not like that. Please.
Thank you.
Just
Thank you so
don't
much.
worry about each and everything. Don't worry about anything. Okay. I just
Okay.
want you to please stay for the upcoming sessions, because now, see, we will start today only with the intro part. Tomorrow's session, oh, so sorry, tomorrow there will be no class as it's a Saturday weekend. So you guys will be practicing from the application only. Monday, we will be conducting the body paragraphs, and the next day will be the conclusions. And so on, we will be covering each day one essay type. So I
Okay, ma'am.
guess the
Ma'am,
next week will be for task 2 only. Yes.
okay, ma'am. And ma'am, that means this class is done with speaking session.
Not speaking sessions because speaking module is already completed in this course.
Okay. In
Yeah.
fact, I don't know how to use this app, but I will.
Yes, please
I'll
explore the
manage to use it.
applications. You all are Gen Zs. Application ko open
No,
karo. There
ma'am,
are
I'm so
reading,
old. I'm
writing,
millennial. I'm so millennial. I'm so old.
speaking. There are all the modules available. Just try, have the membership and try, just explore the application. If you're
I
not
will, ma'am.
able to
Thank you so
understand
much.
anything, come back on Monday. We will clear all your doubts and queries. Okay?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
No worries, no worries. Anybody else who is facing any difficulty who has joined us today? Parasmani Chand. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please just introduce yourself.
My name is Paras Maisam. I'm from Nepal.
Okay. And you're planning for academic or GTILs?
Academic, ma'am.
Academic. What's your target score?
It's over 7.5 or 7.
Okay. And what's your current band level?
I haven't given it. I'm just planning.
Mm-hmm. Okay, no problem. Just be regular in all the classes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Prithvijit.
Hello,
Prithvijit,
ma'am.
this,
Hello, ma'am.
yeah, very good morning. Prithvijit, I just want to tell you that we have begun with this course from 16th of April. Okay, and in this
Okay.
course, speaking is already done. We
Yeah, I
are
heard
in the
that. I
mid,
heard that. I heard that the
yes,
previous
we are
conversation.
in the mid of
I just want to ask that I might be taking the exam next month, mid of next month.
Mhm.
So when will the next batch starts, or is it okay to continue with this particular batch itself?
It's really wonderful if you continue with this batch because we have just done few classes of writing. I guess 8 to 9 classes of writing are done, which covers all the basics, the sentence structure, the band parameters. You can watch all those classes. Now, as you know that we are conducting today introduction, how to write an introduction for writing task 2. So we will start with task 2 basically from today onwards. Task 1 is still left. After this, we will be covering the reading module and the listening module.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Is the previous videos available on the app?
Yes, exactly. You will find each and everything on the YouTube. Just check the playlist for batch course 3 and the date is 16th April. YouTube, the playlist is available, and even on the application, you will be able to find all the videos of this current course going on.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Zohaib, Proxy Malik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Introduce yourself.
My name is Zohaib Tahir. I am from Pakistan.
Okay. And you're planning for GT or academic?
I'm academic.
Academic. And do you have any plans? Like when you want to take IELTS?
Maybe next month.
Okay, next month. No problem. Ikra, ये सेशंस कब तक चलेंगे? जून के एंड में हो जाएगा कंप्लीट? Yes, Ikra, writing will be like I guess 1 week more for task 2 and then 1 week required for task 1 because I'm gonna cover both academic and GT task 1. So 2 weeks probably for writing and then we will begin with the reading module.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
No worries. Okay. So you all know about introduction, which is the first step of writing the task 2. You all know about question analysis, how we have to analyze our question. Yes, please. Who all
Yes,
know
ma'am.
about
Whether
this?
whether that question is related to opinion-based essay or
Yes.
uh,
You need to
solution.
understand कि what are the parts we need to answer in the question, right? अच्छा, anyone who feels confused about introductions कि क्या लिखना है? Who write like 6 to 7 lines in introduction? जल्दी से बताओ. And who all write definitions first? कोई है ऐसा जो definitions लिखता हो इंट्रोडक्शन में, या 6-7 लाइन का इंट्रोडक्शन लिख देता हो? और सम पीपल दे आर कंफ्यूज अबाउट इंट्रोडक्शन की लिखना क्या है यहाँ पे. है ऐसे कोई स्टूडेंट्स हमारे साथ? यस प्लीज. एनीवन? और यू ऑल राइट अ परफेक्ट इंट्रोडक्शन?
No, ma'am, I can't do it.
ओके.
I don't know how to start it.
Okay, so you are actually getting confused about introduction ki likhna kaise hai, right?
Yeah, the first line, what should it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mamta is also facing this difficulty ki start karna kaise hai, right?
Ma'am, after the paraphrasing of the question, then I'm confused like how to frame the ideas, like
Yes.
2 ideas in the
Ma'am,
introduction.
actually, I have doubt in that whether if you start the definition, that must be in positive way or overall.
Right. So basically you write definitions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't worry. आज के बाद introduction will be your strongest weapon, I would say. First thing is, examiner क्या check करता है? Do you understand the topic? आपने अपने question को read करा, and do you understand it or not? Do you have a clear opinion or not? Is your structure organized or not? अगर आपका introduction weak है, examiner का confidence already down हो जाता है that this person is coming up to 6 or 6.5 or maybe 5 or 5.5. Sakshi, if you are not clear with question, please watch the last session. Sehdev, do not worry. You will come to know about what you need to write in your paragraphs, how to write an introduction, each and everything. Okay? So now there is a formula which we follow to write our introduction. उसे हम कहते हैं 4 sentence formula. Those who has already seen my last videos or attended the batch, they must be knowing about it. Yes? Anyone, any idea what's that formula? What we need to write in the sentence number 1?
Background writing.
Exactly. Kushal has already done the homework, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So sentence number 1 will always be a background, a context setting. Whatever your question is, you will be writing a general statement, a background statement related to the topic of your essay, so that you can set a context. Sentence number 2 will be, any idea?
Paraphrasing.
Paraphrasing.
Sentence number 2 is always a paraphrasing. Now, when we talk about background, this sentence is like an entry music. You're entering the essay confidently. So don't give example, don't give define words, no definition. Don't write any history in this. Just a background. Second, when we talk about paraphrasing, you all know about paraphrasing. I believe now you all are pro in paraphrasing. You must show the examiner that you understand the question now. That is what paraphrasing is. क्योंकि जब हम क्वेश्चन को पैराफ्रेज करते हैं, that means we have already understood कि क्वेश्चन क्या है. That is why we are writing it again in a different words, but the meaning is same. Clear? Yes.
Clear.
Now, Paraphrasing आप सबको आती है. Third thing is, what is the third sentence we write? We write our position, which is very, very important. You cannot skip this. The most important part. This sentence decides either you are on band 6 or you are on the band 7 and above. If your opinion is unclear, you are moving downwards. No weak language will be entertained here. You will be writing your structures with those 6 techniques. Okay, you need to mention it very clearly. Then comes your sentence number 4, which is a roadmap. An examiner loves this. Roadmap लिखना. Roadmap means this sentence shows कि आपका structure क्या होने वाला है आगे. What's your body paragraph includes? What will you discuss here? No new ideas here. Just the direction of your essay. Clear? Now I am telling you about the different sentences, but nobody asked me कि मैम लिखना कैसे है? Will you be able to write now with yourself if I'm gonna tell you this कि आपको background लिखना है, paraphrase लिखना है, positioning लिखनी है, roadmap लिखना है? Are
No,
you
ma'am.
able to write now?
No, ma'am.
No. Because I won't think that any student can write with just this. So we will be doing live practice so that you know how to write for an opinion-based essay, how to write for advantage, disadvantage, how to write for discussion essay. We will be covering each and every type of essay here, but only the introduction today. Nobody will ask me about body paragraphs today कि मैम body paragraphs कैसे start करेंगे? No, because we are not into that. We are into the introduction only. So we will focus only on introduction because that is the first thing, the first impression to the examiner. ये आपने introduction लिखा कैसे है? Okay? So let's take one example. It will be more clear to you. This is your question. Read it quickly.
Many people believe that children should start school early, whilst others think they should start later. Discuss both views and give your opinion.
Exactly. So what do you think about this statement? What do you understand? Just quickly do an analysis. जल्दी से करके बताओ.
मैम ओपिनियन बेस ऐसे है.
Exactly.
और हाँ जी, और मैम दोनों पार्ट्स को मतलब हमें डिस्क्राइब करना होगा कि मैनी पीपल कुछ लोग ये सोचते हैं कि शुड स्टार्ट स्कूल अर्ली while others think they should start later. दोनों को मतलब मैम पहले इंट्रोडक्शन फिर दोनों को डिस्क्राइब करना होगा, देन गिव मतलब अपना ओपिनियन भी देना होगा फोर्थ पैराग्राफ में.
Correct. Now,
Ma'am, agree or disagree?
yes, please.
Agree or disagree? And disadvantage.
I'm not able to hear you clearly. I'm not
Advantage and disadvantage.
advantage and disadvantage. How Sahadev it is advantage and disadvantage?
जैसे कोई मतलब एक टॉपिक दे दिया जैसे
Your
अब
voice is
स्कूल में
echoing.
जैसे
Your voice is echoing.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम.
Yes, yes, is it? Are you joining from the web version or from your phone only?
Web.
So is it possible for you to join from your phone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So everyone, those who have attended already the last session of question analysis, what do you understand by this statement?
Ma'am, we have to give one idea to support the both views and give our own opinion towards one of these opinion.
Okay. Anybody else who can explain me more about this? Quick.
मैम इसमें like the first background we can tell that nowadays people are more conscious about the early
No,
school.
I'm not talking about background. Abhi, I'm just asking about the analysis part. The
मैम हमें
statement
दोनों
says many people believe that children should start school early. What does this means? We are talking about the early age group that children should start school early. So when
yes, it's
we
about
will
the age
be
group, appropriate age
analyzing
group.
this, we will be writing our points regarding to why they should start school at early. Talking about many people believe that children. So we are talking about children here. Start school early. Why? This is
Kids,
our first
teenagers.
point. Second is other believe that they should start later. बाद में start करें. We did this question, age of 4, age of 7. Remember?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
in
Yes,
this
ma'am.
question, the age is not mentioned there.
It's the same.
So basically, the topic is about the appropriate age, right? The topic
Yes.
talks about the appropriate age for the children to start the school. Discuss both views. This is our first view, that they should start early. Second view says they should start later. Two views, and then you have to talk about your opinion. Now let's come back to statement number 1. The sentence would always be a background. Now what's the topic of this essay?
Age.
Age. So you cannot write a definition about children. You cannot write a definition about school. The topic of the essay is the appropriate age here. So how will you create a sentence about the appropriate age? Any ideas, any suggestion, any statement? Yes, please.
Age.
Yes?
There is
Anyone?
a old,
Ma'am, in this contemporary era, most of the people don't have a idea about when which time of children should go school.
Yes. More?
Ma'am, different countries have different ages to admit their children in the school.
Okay. But why we will talk about here different countries, different. Abhi, we are just giving a context. The topic says about the appropriate age. Can I say in recent years deciding when children should become formal education?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Or we can say that they are actually having a debate about education part or appropriate age. Okay, let me start with a time phrase. In recent years, can I write a time phrase? Because I'm just setting a context. I'm writing a background statement. We did this in the paraphrasing technique.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Yes, somebody was speaking. Yes. No? Okay. So in recent years, the appropriate age of children to begin formal education has become a matter of considerable debate. Can I say this?
Yes, ma'am.
Because my topic is about appropriate age for children. School. So I use the word formal education. And they're actually having a debate. Somebody says early, somebody says start later.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I write this? Or I'm wrong here? Or can I say
Ma'am, it's
you have to just, can I say this? There is an ongoing debate about the most suitable age for children to start their academic journey.
And this can also be written.
Yes. Yes, please. I don't want anyone to have any doubt. You should make it clear because we are just beginning with the intro part. And it's the first thing which the examiner is going to read. So are these both statements talking about the background, the context of your essay? Because your essay talks nothing about the appropriate age of children to start an education, to start school.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else? Any doubt? Any queries in this?
Can we write up that in today's world, individuals are more conscious about the appropriate age of the children to start schooling?
Yes, exactly. You should always look at the topic of your essay. जो आपके essay का topic है, तभी I'm saying you cannot write only about children. You cannot write only about school. Your topic is to talk about the age. Some people, they believe that children should start school early. Other think they should start later. So it's talking about the appropriate age here. So the topic of your essay is the ideal age, the appropriate age.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Now what will be the sentence number 2? Paraphrasing of the question. Quickly do it. I'm not going to do it because I know that you all are pro in this. This is your question. Start paraphrasing it.
Can I try, ma'am?
Many individual
Please write it in the chat box jaldi se. Infinix Smart 6 by comparison of recent years क्यों लिखोगे? In recent years लिखोगे आप, not by comparison of recent years. अब विवेक, आपने जो आंसर लिखा है उसमें आपने बैकग्राउंड सेटिंग और पैराफ्रेजिंग दोनों को मिक्स कर दिया है डियर. जब आप ये लिख रहे हो हैज बिकम अ वाइडली डिबेटेड इश्यू व्हाइल अदर्स बिलीव, ये दोनों का मिक्सचर हो गया है. प्लीज डू नॉट डू इट. Quickly do the paraphrasing. Now this sentence is which type of sentence? Can anybody explain?
Active voice.
comparison.
Complex
Contrast,
sentence.
ma'am.
It's a contrasting
Compound.
statement. Yes, it's a contrasting statement. And we have used, here it is used a connector while. So you can make another complex statement using a different contrasting connector. Add vocabulary if you want to add vocabulary. That's up to you. Quick. I'm not going to check all the answers because it's really difficult. Our time would go in this. I'm checking just few answers. Ikra says, while some individuals argue that young learners should begin formal education at a tender age, others believe that it's better to enroll at an older age. Mention school also, Ikra. Formal education in school.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And instead of tender age, you can say young age or the school later, not older age. ठीक है? Because we usually use, देखो जब हम early age की बात करते हैं, we talk about young age. We talk about during early childhood, at an early stage of life. So we
Okay,
use
ma'am.
that more. Okay? There
Okay,
is
ma'am.
opinions differ on the suitable age of children to start school, as some believe in early schooling while others prefer later beginning. Many individuals think that children should start their formal education as early as possible, whereas remaining people believe that they should start later. Yes, these are somewhere correct. Now, if we talk about a connector while यहाँ पर use हुआ है, and if you're using it again, that's completely fine, but do the paraphrasing. While some individuals believe that children should begin formal education at young age, other believe enrolling in school later is more. Okay, Kushal. It is believed that pupils should begin, there की spelling wrong है.
Sorry.
Early age, whereas other things, late academic schooling is better. it is believed होता है, believe भी नहीं
हाँ,
होता,
yes,
it is
ma'am.
believed. It is believed that pupils should begin their schooling at an early age, whereas others think that starting formal education later is a better opinion. Okay?
Hmm.
So I'm writing a better version here. Kushal, this was yours, right? So please make the corrections here. क्या क्या आपने mistake करी थी इसमें?
Okay.
Can anyone create a sentence with although? A contrasting connector? Anybody? Although.
Yes,
Wow. I got an answer from Mauricio. Yes, Mauricio. Although a large number of people believe that
Yes, ma'am.
children should start.
Yes,
Children should
ma'am.
start their academic, the spelling of learning is wrong. Learning should start their academic learning early. Others argue that they should wait until they are more mature, not wait to be more mature. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Or you can even say that only after reaching their a level of maturity or until they are more mature. So you can even write this. Just what you guys have written, I have just made the correction in the paraphrasing part.
Ma'am, please check my answer.
Who said Shehnaz?
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait, Shehnaz. Numerous individuals consider that learners ought to enroll in academic institutions at earlier age. However, others consider that they must start, not must, they should. देखो must मैंने आपको हमेशा बताया, must का मतलब होता है mandatory. So you cannot say must. They should start at a later stage. Okay, I'm just rectifying it and writing. आपकी क्या क्या mistake है? आपने academic की spelling गलत लिखी है यहाँ पे. And at an early stage होता है, later stage की spelling भी wrong है. ठीक है? So these are the three paraphrasing. You can write any. Now let's come to the sentence number 3. Your position. Talk about your position.
Ma'am.
I have confused.
Yes, please.
In section sentence 2, I think it's written 2 times.
Sorry?
Paraphrase has written 2 times.
Paraphrase has written. It's written 3 times. We have written 3 sentences for paraphrasing. You can choose any.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shehnaz.
मैम जैसे पहले सेंटेंस में हमने इट इज बिलीव्ड लिखा, दूसरे में although many people believe लिखा, यहाँ पर believed आएगा या believe
No,
नहीं?
although many people believe. Believed नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे believe ही आएगा. ओके यहाँ पे हमने कंसिडर्ड नहीं लिखा, कंसिडर लिखा है. ओके
मैम जब हमें डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट करते हैं तो जैसे इट इज कंसिडर्ड आएगा.
हाँ, it is considered.
ओके मैम.
Okay, now come back to the position. What's your position? What do you think about this statement?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, इसमें ओपिनियन देना है.
Exactly.
ओके.
Your opinion only. So always write your opinion. What do you believe? क्या लगता है आपको? Yes, anyone? What do you think? That children should start school early or they should start later? देखो, no doubt you will be discussing about in the body paragraphs. आपको दोनों views discuss करने हैं, but आपको अपना opinion यहाँ पर देना है. Because it tells the examiner that what's your position is. So if you strongly believe that starting school later is more advantageous, or you believe that children benefit more from the beginning school at a young age, or you believe that delaying formal education is more effective approach, or in a very simple way, in my opinion, children should start school at an early age. क्या है आपका opinion? You have to write that statement. Sakshi says, I strongly believe that children should start too early age. Should start too early age school? No, that is incorrect. Please grammatically correct karo. In my opinion, children should start later because it allows them to develop essential social skills through play, and this essay will discuss. तो आपने this essay will discuss को यहाँ add क्यों करा है? We are only writing अभी अपना opinion. That's it.
ओके
अगर
मैम
आप this
थैंक
essay will discuss लिखते हो इकरा, you're moving to the fourth step. That is
ओके
the
मैम
roadmap.
ओके
Okay?
ओके
So only talk about your opinion. अभी सिर्फ एक statement लिखो, नहीं तो mixing हो जाएगी. जब कोई ऐसा question आएगा आपको opinion नहीं लिखना होगा, तब आप उसे mix कर दोगे. Okay?
ओके मैम
Yes,
थैंक यू
anyone? Opinion, जल्दी से बताओ. I believe that they should start later. Yes. Spelling later की. देखो, अगर आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ लिखते हो अपने स्टेटमेंट को ऐसे, I firmly believe that children benefit more from beginning school at a young age. If I'm supporting the first view, I'm just writing this. It will again give you 6 or 6.5. But if you want to talk about a band 7 opinion, always write an expanded form. I firmly believe that children should begin formal education early as this promotes both academic and social development. And the one you are writing here, no doubt you will be discussing about this in the view 1. Yes, please. Any doubt? Akash, please do not use these words recon.
Ma'am, in this sentence, we also give our body paragraph ideas, na? Academic and social
Exactly,
development.
that is what I mentioned, the reason. Why?
Okay.
As this promotes academic and the social development. Because you have to discuss this in your view 1. I'm supporting the view 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Early.
Yes, ma'am.
So I gave an expanded version to this. Kushal, आपने लिखा है, in my opinion, beginning की spelling wrong है. Beginning formal education, academic school की जगह formal education लिख सकते हो यहाँ पर, क्योंकि academic school एक natural collocation नहीं है. Formal education एक collocation है. ठीक है?
Okay.
And children's में apostrophe ऐसा आता है. Children's overall well-being. More efficient नहीं होता, more beneficial होता है.
Okay.
ठीक है? I am writing your opinion also, जो आपने यहाँ लिखा है. You can choose any. Starting formal education at a later age. अब कुशल का different opinion था. He was actually looking for the second view. तो आपको दोनों का मिल गया यहाँ पे. ठीक है? The people who are actually on the side of early age, they can write this type of statement. जो later age के लिए हैं, they can talk about later. Is the sentence number 3 clear? Let's move to sentence 4. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what will be the sentence 4? Examiner really loved this. And this is, you have to show what you are going to write in the body paragraphs. So this essay will examine both the views, both the perspective, and you already talked about your opinion. So what you will write? Yes, I want your statements. If I'm going to tell you each and everything, how you will learn this. Yes.
Ma'am, in roadmap, we should talk about the reasons what we write in the paragraph, like two advantages, two main ideas.
Hmm.
Like
But
communication skills will develop
now,
fast.
but you will not write it in the roadmap. You will only say that this. Now, suppose I preferred early age, so I'm gonna write this essay will discuss both perspective and explain why an early start to schooling is more beneficial. This is what my view was. Now, suppose your view was later age. You mentioned later age. So this essay will examine the both viewpoints and demonstrate or explain why beginning school later is a more effective approach. So I'm writing both. अगर आपने second view को select करा, you can write this. अगर आपने first view को select करा, you can write this. But not writing any reason here. वो आपको body paragraphs में explain करना है. I only did this much. बस. अगर हम सबको, yes.
In opinion itself, we should give the idea. That's it, ma'am.
Only a little expanded form. Just a simple idea, not a more explanation, because वो तो हमें already body paragraphs में करना है. Right? If we're gonna write each and everything in the introduction, what examiner will understand in the body paragraphs? So we are just giving a view to him. Yes, Vishali.
Over there, they are asking for two views. अब इसमें दोनों views में we need to write a beneficial things or it can be a
Always a beneficial. Why they should start at early age? क्यों start करें? अगर आप
if we are
negative लिखोगे,
supporting, if we are supporting a one sentence over there, it means we need to say the disadvantage for the second opinion,
No,
or we can say the
no,
positive for the
never.
both.
This question, that is why I said question को analysis करो. This question is about discuss both views. तो हमें दोनों views ही बताने हैं, दोनों के ही positive बताने हैं. अगर कुछ लोग सोचते हैं early पे start करें, क्यों करें early? Why? What are the reasons? Early start करने के reasons हम अच्छे reasons ही बताएंगे ना, बुरे बताएंगे तो we are actually talking about the later age.
Okay.
और जब हम सेकंड व्यू डिस्कस करेंगे, वी विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाई दे शुड स्टार्ट एट लेटर एज, क्यों बेनिफिशियल है लेटर एज, राइट?
तो दोनों के बेनिफिट्स ही
यस,
बताएंगे.
एग्जैक्टली, दोनों के ही. व्यू 1 will be talking about early age के benefits, व्यू 2 will be talking about the later age के benefits.
Okay, so we can write it. This essay will explain the benefit of early education as well as the advantage of later education.
But never talk about this. ऐसा statement use नहीं करना, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे both views कर रहे हैं. So never like write की advantages of this and disadvantages of this. हमेशा road map पे सिर्फ इतना mention करो. And I have seen, अभी मैंने last किसी का ऐसे check करा and the student has written, I will discuss both perspective. I का use यहाँ पर नहीं करना. I will only use in the opinion. This essay will discuss. This essay will examine both viewpoints, both perspective, because this is discuss both views. अगर आपका ओपिनियन देखो, अगर आपका ओपिनियन है अर्ली एज ग्रुप, सो यू विल मेंशन कि क्यों अर्ली एज मोर बेनिफिशियल है. अगर आपका व्यू पॉइंट है लेटर एज ग्रुप, देन यू विल टॉक ओनली राइट अ स्टेटमेंट अबाउट इट. दैट्स डन. क्लियर? Now I'm writing a complete introduction. I'm choosing some statements from here. Your whole introduction will look like this. First statement, you can choose any statement of your choice जो आपको अच्छी लगती है.
Ma'am, but in roadmap, we no need to write what we are explaining in paragraph.
No, that is what we did. We only did a little expanded form, not all.
Okay.
Now, can you see your introduction? So this introduction has 4 steps. What is first number? is the background statement, the context. Second is the paraphrasing. Third is your opinion. You talked about कि formal education later age पे start करना more beneficial है for children's overall well-being. That's it. Then this essay will examine both viewpoints and demonstrate why beginning school later is a far more effective approach. Because later age की बात हुई है, तो यहाँ पर भी आप later age का ही लिखोगे. Clear? Any doubt, any query till here? Please let me know.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
ma'am, in the background statement and this paraphrasing of the question. So these both statements are kind of a same, like
The whole essay will look like you, it looks like a same to you because we are only talking about the formal education. But here we are talking the appropriate age is a debate. Right?
yes, ma'am.
So that is what you people do wrong is when you write only about children, when you write only about education. But here the topic is about appropriate age.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Age factor.
Ma'am,
Now
I
let's
have
do
one.
one more question. It will be more clear to you. Yes. Yes, Kushal, please tell.
Ma'am, in both views, we should only give about information about both views, ma'am. Then we are writing our opinion also. But in essay, where we wrote, ma'am, where we write about our opinion, we no need to write, right?
In the essay, in the body paragraphs?
Yes, ma'am.
No, we will only write it in the conclusion then. That is why I'm saying do not get confused. जब body paragraphs करेंगे, it will be more clear to you. अभी just focus on the introduction part की introduction लिखना कैसे. We will be writing the entire essay. हमने 4 statements खुद लिखे हैं ना यहाँ पर. We will be writing the body paragraphs में जितने words, 100 word, 120 words, जितना भी हमारा body structure होगा, we will write here. Okay? But the first task is to understand what to write and how to write in the introduction. Only 4 steps. The background setting. What is the topic of your essay? The essay talks about what? Second is the paraphrasing. Third is the position. And the fourth is roadmap. That's it. And it depends on the type of sentence structure. I can even write these sentences in simple words. But that will not lead you band 7+. So you should focus on your education. Now see the words we have used. Formal education, appropriate age, considerable debate. Right? So always use your words wisely, which leads you to band 7, not to settle for 6. Now quickly do it. I have a speaking test with some students. So let's just wind up quickly. Many people believe that social media is harmful for teenagers.
In recent times, advancement of technology.
Please do not go like this. Kushal, first understand topic kya hai. Social media is harmful for teenager. Right? So when we talk about what is the topic here, you need to first tell me the topic.
People believe that social media is harmful for teenagers.
देखो, our essay will revolve around social media to teenagers. And talking about the harmful effects. So हमारी statements कहाँ revolve करेंगे कि social media. अब social media बहुत बड़ा है. Right? Social media में online platforms भी आते हैं और बहुत सारी चीजें आती है. Social media is a vast topic. So we should understand कि यहाँ पे topic social media का है and it relates to only teenagers. Remember this. You will not talk about here the older people or only the people that social media is harmful for people. No, it's only for the young people, you can say. Clear? Now start with your background statement. Any background setting for social media? Yes, please.
In recent times, online platforms are evolved significantly in young people lives.
Right.
In recent years, numerous individuals considered that online platform has a detrimental effect on the youngsters.
हाँ बट देखो अगर आप डेट्रीमेंटल इफेक्ट बोल रहे हो यू आर एक्चुअली डूइंग द पैराफ्रेजिंग, तो अभी हमें पैराफ्रेजिंग नहीं करनी. We have to talk about only the background statement. We have to talk about only the social media.
Okay.
In today's digital world,
Hmm.
teenagers have become more affected by the social media.
Hmm. Write it down. If you're getting confused, just write it down.
Okay.
Hmm.
Social
Ma'am,
media has social media has become an important part of teenager life nowadays.
Yes.
However, many people believe that it has negative
हाँ तो आप
effect on young
however क्यों
people.
लगा रहे हो? आप एक कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग स्टेटमेंट बना रहे हो, आप बैकग्राउंड के साथ ही पैराफ्रेजिंग को कनेक्ट कर रहे हो. Can I write this?
I mean, in recent year, we can use nowadays.
Yes, exactly. You can say nowadays also.
ma'am, social media online platform.
Ma'am, but here it is a negative sentence, right, ma'am? But in
Widely
back,
discussed issue.
yes,
डिस्कस्ड
ma'am.
इशू. दे आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव. डिस्कस्ड इशू की बात हो रही है कि इन्फ्लुएंस जो है सोशल मीडिया पे, अब वो पॉजिटिव इन्फ्लुएंस है या नेगेटिव है. आई हैवंट रिटन दैट. आई जस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट द इंट्रो पार्ट, द बैकग्राउंड स्टेटमेंट. इफ आई एम गोना राइट हियर नेगेटिव, then it will be somewhat connected to the harmful part.
Yes, ma'am. Background statement is general. That's it.
Exactly. It is general. So when we talk only about influence, that means I'm not talking about negative or positive. Otherwise, I would have connected a collocated word here,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So you need to be very careful while writing the background statement. Or can I write this? The background statement is always just introducing the topic of your essay. Not talking about the paraphrasing. Paraphrasing तो हमारा step number 2 है. As technology continues to develop, social media has become increasingly popular among teenagers. अभी किसी ने बोला था ना important part. So I just did a little bit paraphrase to that statement. कि social media has become an important part of teenagers' life. So I can write this. Social media has become increasingly popular among teenagers. Yes, any doubt? Now do the paraphrasing. Yes, quickly paraphrase your statement. I hope now it's easier. ये statement को paraphrase करो जल्दी से.
It is believed that online platform is detrimental for teenagers.
Yes. Yes, more answers.
is-
Paraphrasing. Yes, please.
It is believed that online networking platforms has adverse effects on teenagers' life.
Exactly. Yes. More.
Many individuals consider that online platform has detrimental effect on youngsters.
Yes, detrimental effects on youngsters, correct. और बताओ. Yes, please, quick.
Nowadays, many people think that social media platforms are harmful for teenagers.
But if I want to use a different word, not harmful.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, क्योंकि हम ट्राई करेंगे कि हम कुछ और vocab लिखें.
It is highly believed that digital platforms have detrimental effects on youngsters.
Detrimental impacts, detrimental effects. Yes. Adverse effects बोल सकते हो, negative influence बोल सकते हो, various risk बोल सकते हो. Excessive engagement है social media का, तो damaging effects भी बोल सकते हो. Now I am writing 2 for you. I'm just changing a little bit to this sentence. Many individuals argue, many individual argue. Online platforms को मैंने excessive engagement कर दिया, detrimental को मैंने damaging effects कर दिया. That's it. Please practice for paraphrasing. Okay. Now you have to write your opinion. What do you believe? The statement number 3. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You have to talk about the third one.
I completely agree with this statement.
Ha. Now only cannot say I completely agree with this statement. With which statement you have to mention that.
Okay.
Now suppose if I simply write this. I strongly agree that excessive use of social media can be harmful to adolescent. Never write in a short form, I strongly agree with this statement. ऐसा please कभी भी आपको नहीं लिखना है एग्जाम में. Always write a complete statement. Do a little bit paraphrasing again. अब आपको यहाँ पर harmful नहीं use करना. You can write negative impact. Now suppose I can write this. Social media has a largely negative impact on teenagers. आपने यहाँ पे detrimental impact बोला, यहाँ पर आपने largely negative impact बोला. यहाँ पे आपने बताया कि कुछ issue discuss हो रहे हैं. Social media is popular among teenagers. Yes, please. Any doubt? I don't want anyone to have any doubt in the introduction part. Only then you can move towards to the body paragraph. Yes, please.
मैम जैसे अपने ओपिनियन में थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करना है कि हम क्यों इसके साथ एग्री या डिसएग्री हैं.
Exactly. Basically, अभी तक तो हमने बिल्कुल भी explain नहीं करा. We only did the paraphrasing. That's it. जैसे यहाँ पर हमने paraphrasing करी है, हमने strongly अपना opinion लिख के भी paraphrasing ही करी है दोबारा.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
excessive use of social media has largely impacted the teenagers. Please mute yourself. We can also write a complex sentence here. While social media offers certain advantages, I believe that its negative effects on teenagers are more significant. You can even write your opinion like this. Because now you're writing, I believe, not what people believe or it is believed. Meenakshi, are negatively affect, ये grammatically wrong है.
Okay, ma'am.
Are negatively affect the teenager's life नहीं होता. Yes, you can write one more complex sentence here. ये जो आपको मैंने 6 techniques कराई हैं, are we using these 6 techniques here? Yes, please.
Right.
So you have to use it. I told you ना, जो हम 6 techniques करने वाले हैं, अपना पूरा ऐसे हम उसी से लिखेंगे. So that's what we are doing. Now when we talk about opinion, the next statement will be roadmap.
Yes, ma'am.
Now how will you write a roadmap? क्या लिखोगे roadmap पे?
This essay will discuss about the harmful negative influence on teenagers while using excessively on social networking platform.
Now, if you're getting agree, you can also talk about that this essay will explain why negative effects of social media on teenagers outweigh its benefits, or main reasons why social media can be harmful to adolescents. This essay will outline the key arguments.
बोथ बोल सकते हैं
We
मैम.
write, if we
Sorry?
write, ma'am, this while social media
Hmm.
offers certain advantages, I believe that. So in this statement, we have to also write one idea for supporting the advantages.
I did not write any idea here. I just wrote my opinion that I believe that it negatively affects teenager. So see, I'm going with the negative part only. Negative, negative. And I firmly believe also, I mention it so that examiner can read that I believe that its negative effects on the teenagers are more significant. That means it has more negative effects. No doubt I'll be explaining it in the upcoming paragraph so that examiner knows.
So there's like my question is in the upcoming paragraphs, we have to
Okay, roadmap.
only
You're
write
talking about roadmap.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
No,
You can
ma'am,
write.
not roadmap,
Huh.
but in the body paragraph.
In the body
Like
paragraph,
if,
what?
like ma'am, if we write this statement while social media offers certain advantages, I believe. So I mean, body paragraph, we have to both body paragraph towards dedicated towards negative impacts.
That is why I'm saying, Mayank, please do not go to the body paragraphs now. I will explain it to
Okay.
you later because it's not a topic of 5 minutes so that I can explain.
Okay,
Please
I'm sorry.
focus only on the introduction. Don't go for the body paragraphs. Abhi just
Okay.
ye learn karo. Just make yourself skill in this, that how you need to write an introduction round.
Okay.
Okay. Now there are two ways. One way to write roadmap is that you just mention that this essay will outline the key arguments supporting why social media is detrimental, or another is what you will be writing. Now, suppose you're going to write about that it affects the academic performance, it affects the health, it affects the relationship. So you can write that also in the roadmap. This is a roadmap. Yes. There are two ways. If you're getting agree, you can write this. If you want to write this, you can write this also. Both are acceptable. और अगर आप disagree करते हो, तो you will start writing about the disagree point.
Okay.
That you will talk about advantages, right? अगर आप disagree कर रहे हो, that means you will talk about the advantages of social media. अगर आप agree कर रहे हो, you will write the other side. Please let me know if you have any doubt, any query.
Ma'am, like for these all statement roadmap, paraphrasing of the question, ma'am, we need to paraphrase or use different words for the key terms like social media or
Yes,
youngsters.
exactly. And that's what we have already practiced. Mayank, when did you join the classes?
Ma'am, day before yesterday.
Exactly. So you missed out a lot of sessions in which we have already done these type of statements.
Okay, ma'am.
We have already covered how to write and what to write, in which way we have to write these type of statements. Yes, the ones who are already present in the previous classes, please share some feedback. Did we cover these type of statements? We already learned how to write these type of statements in the previous sessions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope now it is easy for you to write the introduction part, or you still believe it is difficult?
No, ma'am.
I'm feeling difficult in background position.
Please, Johnson, just talk about. Now here the topic is social media. You have to talk about social media. A one-line statement for social media. I only created a complex statement. That's it. The influence of social media on young people has widely discussed issue in the modern society. आपको सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया के बारे में बात करनी है बिकॉज आपका टॉपिक क्या है सोशल मीडिया related to teenagers. So any background statement, any context statement should relate to social media and the teenagers. Not talking about harmful, because अगर आप harmful की बात करते हो, you are actually doing the paraphrasing. तो paraphrasing तो हम अपने next step में करेंगे ना. So the topic of sentence, the topic of essay will revolve around social media and the teenagers. वो harmful है या नहीं है, यही तो आपका question है. To what extent do you agree or disagree? That
Yes,
is why we did first analysis of the questions. हमने analysis क्यों करा? इसीलिए करा ना.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
guys want, I can have one more session on Monday for only introduction.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
people want, we can
Yes, ma'am.
practice introduction we did for opinion essay, agree, disagree. We did for discussion essay, right? Problem solution के लिए, advantage, disadvantage के लिए, direct question essay के लिए, the three questions, the three topics are still left. On Monday again, we will do the introduction because I really want all of you to be a pro in this. I cannot leave my students in doubt. And I'm really sorry for student who has joined us today or day before. Because see, I cannot conduct the sessions again and again, but introduction is really very important because it's the only first step which the examiner is going to read in your essay.
मैम
Yes, Shehnaz.
मैम जैसे हमें partially agree और disagree भी कर सकते हैं इसमें,
Exactly, आप
या
partially
completely
agree और
agree?
partially disagree भी कर सकते हो, but why? I would never suggest my students to do partially disagree because वो बहुत complicated हो जाता है when it comes to writing. So always choose agree or disagree.
100% agree, 100%
You are on the
okay.
safer side. आप बहुत safer रहते हो उसमें, ठीक है? So इसलिए always choose completely agree or completely disagree.
मैम जैसे to what extent do you agree or disagree, और जो अकेला agree और disagree होता है, जो दोनों सेम ही जाते हैं?
This is little different. वैसे हम लोग इसमें follow, तभी I'm saying कि हम body structure करेंगे, तब it will be more clear. Let me just give you
Okay,
one
ma'am.
step. जब हम extent की बात करते हैं, we are allowed to write 80% agree, 20% disagree, और vice versa. कि आप 80% disagree करो, 20% agree करो, right? But आपको उसमें ना फिर वो अपने words के through एक describe करना पड़ता है. Now suppose if you are saying I partially agree, so this essay will examine both benefits and drawbacks of social media before explaining why I largely agree with this view. So वो बहुत ही complicated सा हो जाता है, इसीलिए I want everyone to have a safer side. You're not that pro कि आप 8+ या 9 पे चले जाओ. इसलिए अगर आपका टारगेट 7 and above है, always choose a safer version. Completely agree करोगे तो आपके सारे व्यू पॉइंट्स एग्री के लिए है. डिसएग्री करोगे तो आप सिर्फ डिसएग्री के बारे में बात करो. ओके?
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Yes, no worries. A person with the name of Sarbjeet. No, not that. Sarbjeet, are you present? Oh, I guess you left.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sarb is present. Sarb from Canada. No, he is not present. Yes, please. Yes.
Can we write one paragraph agree and another disagree?
I told you अभी body paragraphs की बात हम नहीं करेंगे विवेक. If you want to ask any questions related to introduction, please. The next session will be for body paragraphs. Then we will discuss. अभी जब मैंने कुछ पढ़ाया ही नहीं तो आपको कुछ आता ही नहीं है. Okay, so only talk about introduction.
Okay.
Now I want an honest feedback from you all. Did you find today's session helpful? That you learned something about introduction part?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
To write those statements, you have to write your statements like this. कोई simple statement नहीं लिखेगा. I agree with this statement. My opinion, I strongly agree with this करके खत्म नहीं करना. Please, you have to write the entire statement. अगर आपका target 7 and above है, please follow this. Okay? I want now as a homework, I really want, because it's a weekend, please just open your application. Application को open करके, we did discuss both views, we did agree and disagree. वो questions को उठाओ, only write the introduction. Only write introduction. I can pick up any one of you on Monday, and I just want you to share me what they have written as an introduction. Question भी आप मुझे share करोगे कि कौन सा question था, आपने उसका क्या आंसर लिखा है. I want to see that.
Okay, ma'am.
So first 5 minutes will be devoted to this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? You all have to practice for introduction. Write 4 statements. A complex statement, do the paraphrasing, कैसे भी लिखो. We did the noun phrases also. हमने noun phrases यहाँ पर कितने use करे हैं? Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
We just not use the verb phrase, we use the noun phrase also. So please work on that so that you can target 7 and above. I don't want my students to settle for 6 or 6.5. ये आ जाता है कैसे भी करके. बस 7 जो target है ना 6.5 से 7 पे जाने का. This is how you need to practice. And I'm really sorry if I'm not answering any questions for body paragraph because it's a vast. ठीक है, तो बॉडी पैराग्राफ्स के डाउट्स और क्वेरीज हम तब करेंगे जब हम सेशन कंडक्ट करेंगे. बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट टीच यू इन फ्यू मिनट्स. अगर होता वो 1 या 2 मिनट का तो आई वुड नॉट कंडक्ट दीज सेशंस अगेन. Okay, so I'm just conducting an introduction round again for you so that you can know how to write different types of essay. और सबका introduction आपको लिखना आ जाए. So please practice from the application. Meanwhile, speaking का test आपको रोज करना है. At least one speaking test from the application each and every day. Clear? You should not forget to do it. Otherwise, speaking में बहुत gap आ जाएगा. किसी का भी एग्जाम अगर नियर बाय है, प्लीज ट्राई द बेबी कोड वीजा सर्विसेज. दे विल हेल्प यू आउट विद द लिस्ट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. कोई भी क्वेरी है एग्जाम से रिलेटेड, कोर्स से रिलेटेड, they will get back to you. Just drop your query over there and they will get back to you. And all the new students, please click on the remind me button for all of the new classes. Application में सारी classes already schedule होती हैं. 12 से 15 क्लास आपकी ऑलरेडी स्केड्यूल होती है. आप उन पे क्लिक करके रखो. 9 o'clock आपके पास रिमाइंडर आएगा and you will be able to join that class. Okay? Any more doubt, queries? Yes, please.
Ma'am, so
Yes, Aryan.
मैम जो एक्चुअली इंट्रोडक्शन जो होने वाला है, एक्चुअली हमारा वो फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन होने वाला है.
Sorry. Yes, obviously. Suppose करो अब examine essay, like we as an examiner, if we see an essay, that's the first thing we read. आपने इंट्रोड्यूस क्या करा, आप लिखने क्या वाले हो, अगर आपने वो ही सही नहीं लिखा, वो ही क्लियर नहीं है, so what examiner will understand by reading the body paragraphs?
Obviously.
So this is the first thing जो आपको बहुत ही clearly mention करना है कि आपका टॉपिक क्या है. The background statement is the topic of your essay. किसके related है आपका essay? क्या है वो पूरा लिख दोगे तो वो तो आपकी पैराफ्रेजिंग हो गई. पैराफ्रेजिंग नहीं करनी, ओनली द बैकग्राउंड सेटिंग. पैराफ्रेजिंग के बाद आप अपना पोजीशन लिखो एंड पोजीशन शुड बी क्लियरली रिटन, नॉट अ शॉर्ट स्टेटमेंट. सिंपल स्टेटमेंट हमें सिर्फ बैंड 5 और 6 पे ले जाती है, 7 पे कभी भी नहीं. देन राइट योर रोड मैप कि आप अपकमिंग पैराग्राफ्स में क्या लिखने वाले हो. ओके, डोंट वरी, वी विल हैव अनदर सेशन अगेन ऑन मंडे फॉर इंट्रोडक्शन. इट विल बी मोर क्लियर टू यू.
ओके मैम. सो बैकग्राउंड में मतलब लाइक वी हैव टू लाइक अगर कोई टॉपिक दिया हुआ है तो हमको उसको हल्का सा ग्लैंस देना ना बैकग्राउंड में.
एग्जैक्टली. जस्ट अ क्विक व्यू कि आपका ऐसे टॉपिक है क्या. ओके
ओके मैम, आई गॉट इट.
यस. सो सी यू ऑल ऑन मंडे. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you,
थैंक यू
ma'am.
मैम.